everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming outdoor spaces into stunning havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into a topic that can completely transform the look and feel of your outdoor space. Raised garden edging. Have you ever looked at a perfectly manicured garden and wondered how they achieve that clean, polished look? The secret often lies in a well-designed raised garden edge. So what exactly is raised garden edging? Simply put, it's a structural barrier that defines and elevates a garden bed above the surrounding ground level. Unlike simple borders that just separate the grass from the soil, raised edging creates a distinct, three-dimensional element. This not only adds a sophisticated, intentional look to your landscape, but also offers a host of practical benefits. It's about creating a beautiful, functional framework for your plants to thrive. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of using raised garden edging. First and foremost, it provides excellent soil containment. Say goodbye to soil erosion and mulch spilling onto your lawn or pathways. This keeps your garden looking neat and tidy with minimal effort. Secondly, raised beds offer improved drainage. The elevated design prevents waterlogging, which is crucial for the health of your plants. It also gives you full control over your soil composition, allowing you to create the perfect blend of nutrients for whatever you're growing. And for those of us who have trouble bending down, raised edging makes gardening so much easier on the back and knees, providing a more comfortable and accessible gardening experience. Lastly, it acts as a barrier against weeds and pests from the surrounding area, keeping your plants safer and healthier. Now for the fun part, making it look beautiful. The key to a stunning raised garden edge is to see it as a design element, not just a functional barrier. The choice of material is your first step. Do you want a rustic, natural feel with wood or stone? Or perhaps a modern, sleek look with metal or concrete? Once you've chosen your material, think about what you're planting. A low-profile edging works well for delicate flowers, while a taller, more robust one can support larger shrubs. You can also play with textures and colors. Combine different plants, some that spill over the edge, some that stand tall, to create visual interest. For instance, trailing vines or ground covers can soften the hard lines of a stone or concrete edge, creating a beautiful, natural flow. Lighting is another game changer. Adding low-level solar lights or string lights along the edge can highlight your garden and create a magical ambience at night. The goal is to blend your edging seamlessly with your overall landscape design, making it an integral part of your garden's beauty. So, what are the best materials to use? Let's break down some of the most popular and effective options. First, timber or wood. A classic choice, wood offers a warm, natural look that blends beautifully into any garden. Treated lumber, cedar, or even repurposed railway sleepers are excellent, durable options. Second, stone or brick. For a timeless, elegant, and incredibly sturdy look, stone and brick are top contenders. You can use natural river rocks, cut stone, or classic bricks to create a variety of styles, from rustic to formal. Third, concrete blocks or pavers. This is a versatile and long-lasting option. Concrete blocks can be stacked to create tall, raised beds, and you can find them in various shapes, sizes, and colors to match your home's aesthetic. Fourth, corten steel. If you're going for a modern, industrial look, corten steel is a fantastic choice. It develops a beautiful, rusty patina over time, which adds character and is highly durable. Fifth, recycled materials. For the eco-conscious gardener, recycled materials like glass bottles, old tires, or even gabion baskets filled with rubble can create a unique, sustainable, and eye-catching edge. Now that you're armed with the basics, let's get some serious inspiration. Here are our top 10 best raised garden edging ideas, showcasing a variety of styles and materials. 1. Sturdy wooden log edging. This unique and robust circular raised bed is created from vertical wooden logs. The logs, cut to a uniform length, are placed side by side to form a strong, natural-looking wall. The circular shape and solid wood construction create a bold, rustic focal point that draws the eye. The bed is filled with a rich mix of flowers and foliage, including striking purple alliums, yellow marigolds, and various green plants, creating a lush and dynamic display. 2. Classic curved concrete block edging. This image features a beautifully designed, circular raised garden bed, using classic tan-colored concrete blocks. The blocks are stacked to create a smooth, curved wall that perfectly contains a vibrant mix of flowering plants, including tall blue spires, delicate pink petunias, and bright orange and yellow daisies. This design is ideal for creating a focal point around a tree or in the middle of a lawn, providing a clean, structured look that contrasts with the lush, organic forms of the plants. 3. Rustic river rock edging. A charming and naturalistic border is created with a row of various sized river rocks. The stones, in a mix of soft grays, browns, and ochres, are carefully placed to form a low, winding wall that separates a meticulously mulched garden bed from a gravel pathway. The planting within the bed is a delightful display of textures and colors, with bushy green plants, fluffy yellow flowers, and soft pink blooms, creating a harmonious and organic feel. 4. Stamped concrete edging. A clean, modern raised garden bed is framed by a low, curved border of stamped concrete. The concrete is stained to resemble natural stone or brick, providing a durable and seamless edge that requires minimal maintenance. The design is simple and elegant, with the dark mulch and a few large boulders acting as anchors for the sparse plantings of ornamental grasses and flowering shrubs. This is an excellent solution for creating a polished, low-effort landscape. 5. Elegant winding concrete paver edging. A sophisticated and flowing design is achieved with light-colored concrete pavers that create a gentle, winding raised bed. The pavers are stacked to form a neat, layered wall that gracefully curves through the lawn. The bed is filled with a soft arrangement of flowering plants in shades of pink, white, and orange, along with structured green shrubs. This design adds an element of refined elegance and movement to the landscape, ideal for a formal or classic garden style. 6. Stacked stone wall edging. This image shows a beautiful, meandering garden bed defined by a low, dry stacked stone wall. The stones vary in shape and size, giving the wall a rustic, hand-built character that feels completely at home in a naturalistic landscape. The curving line of the wall softens the garden's transition into the surrounding lawn, while the lush, naturalistic planting of various grasses, irises, and shrubs enhances the wild and enchanting feel of the space. 7. Modern corrugated metal edging. This innovative garden design utilizes corrugated metal panels to form a series of organic, undulating raised beds. The rusty patina of the metal adds a rustic, industrial chic to the space, beautifully complementing the mix of leafy green vegetables and herbs planted within. The beds are set against a backdrop of a wooden fence and surrounded by a bed of river stones, creating a textured and low-maintenance pathway that ties the entire modern garden together. 8. Tiered block wall edging. This striking design features a multi-tiered, wavy raised garden bed, constructed from tan-colored concrete blocks. The lower tier is a smooth curve that holds a vibrant array of annual flowers, while the upper tier is home to larger evergreen shrubs and trees. The stacked, interlocking blocks create a strong, sculptural element that not only defines the space but also adds significant height and visual interest, making it a powerful centerpiece for a lawn. 9. Contemporary sandstone edging with built-in seating. This sophisticated and functional design uses large sandstone blocks to create a substantial, elevated garden bed. The clean, straight lines of the sandstone give the space a contemporary feel. The most notable feature is the integrated wooden bench, which is seamlessly built into the wall, providing a practical seating area and a unique design element. This is a perfect example of how raised garden edging can be both beautiful and highly functional, transforming a simple garden into a true outdoor living space. 10. Bold timber sleeper edging. This landscape showcases a bold and rustic design using large, chunky timber sleepers. The dark, aged wood forms a clean, straight line that runs the length of a lawn, creating a substantial and elegant raised bed. The simple, linear design provides a strong visual anchor for the diverse plant selection, which includes various grasses and low-lying shrubs. This idea is perfect for a modern, minimalist garden that emphasizes clean lines and natural materials. I hope these incredible ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to redefine your garden space. Raised garden edging is more than just a border. It's an opportunity to create structure, add beauty, and improve the health of your plants. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of wood, the timeless elegance of stone, or the modern appeal of steel, there's a perfect solution waiting for you. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more great tips, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy gardening, everyone!